Hi guys, welcome to our second day of distance learning, and we're going to do our Eureka Math lesson number 2. I'm sorry if the video is not that clear. My electricity is not working too well today, so we're going to use my computer as webcam. So today we're going to do say 10 push-ups, and you guys should know how to do this because we've done it already. So let's start by counting to 10 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do say 10 push-ups. So we're going to say 10, 1. But remember, we're going to move our feet. So it's going to be 10, 1. 10, 2. 10, 3. 10, 4. 10, 5. 10, 6. 10, 7. 10, 8. 10, 9. 10, 10. Or 210. Very good. We're going to do it one more time, and I want to hear you loud and proud. Ready? Starting with 1. Get ready. Amazing. Now let's do our 10 ones. Get ready? Or, very good, guys. That will be our warm-up for today. So let's get started with our application problem. You guys should have your application problem out, which is a piece of paper with a big square on it. If not, you can just work on your own paper. So I'm going to be telling you a story. Margaret and Caleb discovered that if they put their money together, they would have 5 pennies. They would have enough money to buy a candy bar. Yum! So I'm going to use my counters. If you have pennies, you can use pennies, or if you have any other like cubes, anything, just 5 of them. Now I want you to slide some to one side and the rest to the other. So when I do it like this, I have 1 on one side and 4 on the other. So how I'm going to do that? I am going to draw on my application problem how I did it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to write the number. And then I'm going to write the number. Let's check if I was right. I have 1 penny on this side and 4 pennies on this side. So I'm going to say that Margaret had 1 penny and Caleb had 4. And together they had Tell me. Yep, they had 5. Very good. So I want you to act that out with your family, and I want you to come up with a different number than me, with different numbers than me. Got it? Go do your application problem. So we have how many students in our whole? Yes, 4. And I'm going to tell you a story, so listen carefully. The kids had a great time at the party, but now it's time to go home. One kid will take the first path home, and the other 3 kids take the second path home. Let's see what that looks like. So, how many kids are in this part? Yes, 3. How many kids are in this part? Yes, 1. Very good. So 3 and 1 make, yes, 4. So when I'm telling you about parts leaving the whole, it's a what kind of story? Yes, break apart story. Everyone say break apart story and move your hands. Get ready? Yes, break apart story. Let's go to the next one. So there are 3 students or 3 kids in the whole. How many kids are in the whole? Yes, 3. The kids had a great time at their friend's house, but now it's time to go home. 2 kids will take the first path home. The other one will take the other path home. Let's see what that would look like. So how many kids do we have in this part? Yes, 2. How many kids do we have in this part? Yes, 1. How many kids altogether? Yes, 3. So 2 and 1 make 3. Yes, 3. Now, when I'm telling you about a story where they're in a whole and then they break into parts, it's called a what kind of story? Take apart story. Very good. Everyone say take apart story. Yes, take apart story. Set. So this is a very short video today. So our problem set. So the squares below represent a cube stick. Color the squares to match the rabbits. 4 squares are gray and 1 square is black. Then you're going to draw the squares in the number bond. So how many rabbits total do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where does it go? In the whole or the parts? Yes, the whole, because it's all of the rabbits. So all of the rabbits, the total number goes in the whole. Now we have 2 parts. One for what kind of rabbits? Yes, the gray rabbits. And we have the other part for the, yes, the black rabbit. Very good. Now we're going to show the parts of the number bond on our fingers by coloring the fingers we used. So if we start from our left hand, we had 4 gray rabbits. So we would color these tips of the fingers. What color? Yes, gray. And then we had 1 more. So we would color this one. Yes, black. So 4 and 1 make, very good. 4 and 1 make 5.